Most landscaping business owners get this wrong. They spend weeks comparing software, only to choose a platform that creates more work instead of saving time. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best software for a landscaping company is not always the one with the most features. It's the one that fits how your team actually works every day. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between Jobber and Service Fusion in 2026, which platform is better for landscaping companies, and how to choose the right option without wasting money on the wrong system. Let's get straight to the answer. If you run a small to mid-sized landscaping business and want something easy to learn, Jobber is usually the better choice. If you need deeper dispatching tools, advanced operational controls, and more customization, Service Fusion may be a stronger fit. But here's the problem. Many owners stop their research there. That's where expensive mistakes happen. Let's start with ease of use. Imagine Jake owns a landscaping company with 5 employees. He needs scheduling, invoicing, estimates, and customer management. Jobber is known for its clean interface and fast setup. New employees can often learn the basics quickly. For many landscaping companies, that simplicity means less training and fewer headaches. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Service Fusion offers more operational depth. If John manages multiple crews across different service areas, Service Fusion provides stronger dispatching and workforce coordination tools. That can be valuable as a company grows. Next, let's talk about customer experience. Landscaping clients expect fast quotes and professional communication. Jobber does an excellent job with customer interactions, online quote approvals, reminders, and payment collection. This can help smaller companies appear more professional without adding extra office staff. But here's the problem. As operations become more complex, some businesses outgrow simple workflows. This is where Service Fusion starts gaining an advantage. Its reporting and operational controls can provide more visibility into jobs, technicians, and business performance. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to make your final decision. First, let's discuss pricing value. Jobber often appeals to businesses focused on ease of use and fast implementation. Service Fusion may provide better value for companies needing more advanced operational management. The right choice depends on your stage of growth rather than just the monthly subscription cost. So here's the simple rule. If you're a smaller or growing landscaping company focused on scheduling jobs, sending estimates, collecting payments, and keeping things simple, Jobber is likely the better option. If you're managing larger teams, multiple crews, and more complex operations, Service Fusion deserves serious consideration. To summarize, Jobber wins for simplicity, user experience, and quick adoption. Service Fusion wins for operational depth, dispatching, and scalability. The best choice depends on your business size and future growth plans. If this comparison helped you make a smarter software decision, hit the like button, leave a comment with the software you're considering, and subscribe for more landscaping business software reviews and comparisons.